What's up, guys? I'm Jennifer with artisJet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to print this sign using BEC1GO Technology, from start to finish. Here's the game plan real quick. First, we'll prep the design file in Photoshop using a spot channel. It's way easier than it sounds. Second, I'll show you how to get your material perfectly positioned on the printer. And third, we'll jump into the software to set up and send the final print job. Sounds exciting? Buckle up, let's go! All right, so I've already got my trusty Photoshop open. Let's dive in. Go up to File, then Open. Here's my design file, super creatively named, I know, and just click Open. And we're in! Remember, what we're doing is basically telling the printer exactly where we want that cool, raised, embossed, and braille effect. And we do that by putting that info into something called a spot channel. Quick first step. See the lock on the background layer? Just click it to unlock. Done. In this case, we want all the white areas to be embossed. So the easiest way to grab all that white is to use color range. Just select the white color areas. Nice. With that area selected, we're going to create a new layer and fill it with black. Just plain black. And yep, the marching ants are still there. That's perfect. Now, hop on over to the Channels panel. See that little menu button in the top right corner? Click that and choose New Spot Channel. Boom. The area you just filled with black automatically pops into that new spot channel. No way. Super important part, you gotta name this channel W1. This is non-negotiable. We are so close. Last thing, jump back to your layers panel. Now just hide that top layer so we can see our original design. Oops, your design might look a little funky right now. I don't even worry about it. That's just the spot channel showing off. It's gonna be fine, trust me. And that's literally it. Now we just save this file as a TIFF. Hooray! You are officially done prepping your file. Easy, right? All right, so our design file is all set and ready to go. Now we need to get this thing printed. But first, we gotta figure out exactly where to place the sign on the printer's platform. We don't just eyeball it. That's why we first print a super simple guide. This little guide is going to lock in the perfect position for us. Then, we'll just place our sign right on the spot. Ta-da! Okay, let's do it. We've got the artisJet workstation open. Go ahead and click New Job. This will make the RIP software pop up. Inside the RIP, grab the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle and then enter the exact parameters of your sign. Get those measurements perfect. Then, click the Print button. The print menu will pop up. Click Properties, and in there, select KCMY Color Mode. Hit OK, and then OK again. Boom, we automatically bounce back to the workstation program. You'll see your new print job just waiting for us. Right-click on it and choose Bidirectional to make the printing faster. Then, just click Print to print that rectangle guide right onto the platform. Okay, awesome. The guide is printed. Now, just place your sign material on the platform, lining it up inside that rectangle. Go ahead and press the Auto Position button right on the printer. Hop back into the RIP software. You'll see our rectangle is still hanging out there. Right-click on it and choose to convert it into a rectangular frame. Then, we need to reduce the stroke size down to 0. We don't want any lines messing with our final print. Now, go to File, Import, and bring in that TIFF file we just saved. Place it right inside the frame we just made. It should snap right in there. Almost there. Go to Print again, click Properties. This time, for the color mode, we need to select W1, W2, W3, W4 plus KCMY. This tells the printer, hey, we've got special embossed layers coming your way. Hit OK, then OK again. We'll pop back to the workstation and you'll see our new job is in the queue. Right-click on it and look for the embossed options. We need to set that to Braille sign because, our design actually has Braille on it. This makes sure it gets that perfect raised texture. And then you know what to do. Just click Print. Here we go. The printer will now do its thing all in one go, laying down the Braille, the embossed effect, and the full color. It's pretty cool to watch. Just kick back for about a minute and a half. And boom, printing is complete. Check it out, a perfectly printed tactile sign ready to go. Congrats! You totally nailed it. Great job following along. Now you're all set to create awesome, accessible signage. Catch you next time.